Welcome again to another video with your boy Nate Mcloving, and I'm gonna talk about my stocks for the past week and let you guys know if investing in the stock market is worth it, and also to watch my growth from the beginning of the year, which I've started. If you haven't seen my past videos, go check out my past videos and smash the like button on this video, and let's get into it. So thank you guys for coming back to another video and listen to me and actually watch me show my stocks and me being transparent to you guys about my gains and my losses. Alright, so this week was not so much of a great week in the stock market for me because I'm still down in the stock market, but at least I got paid out dividend from two stocks that I've owned for the month of January, which recently passed because now we're in February. About two stocks have paid out in February already, but what am I going to talk about is the stocks that have been paid out in the month of January. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm guessing now you're seeing my screen, and I'm just going to talk about my loss and my gain for this week. So this week in my portfolio, I'm at $5,462.71. I'm down $36.11. I'm up $2.58 in the aftermarket. For the past week, I've been doing good. I've been recovering real nicely. I'm up $74.95. For the past month, I'm down $35.76. And yes, you can see that my 3 months is a bit crazy, and I won't get into my past year. I mean, I lost quite a bit back in 2019 when I started doing day trading, but going forward with a different approach in investing in dividend stocks, I'm not really losing as much as when I was doing day trading. So that's the plan, is to just continue to investing in dividend stocks. So for this past week, I've not done too bad. So let's see what this week holds and see if I'm gonna go over my 5,500 mark, because at the end of the day, that was the initial amount I put into the stock market, but I went under my my capital. So I'm trying to get back over 5,500, which I did ended up going over the 5,500. Let's see, I went all the way to $5,513.40, and I ended up losing the money back. You know, the stock market goes up and down, what can I say? But that's that. And I mean, these are the stocks that I'm currently holding in my portfolio right now. As you see, I have 30 shares in Ford. I am in Marathon Oil. I try to be very diverse in my portfolio. Microsoft has been doing pretty well. You know, being that I invested in Microsoft a bit late, because I invested in Microsoft back in 2019 earlier when it was like $105 for a stock. It fell below $100, which was pretty cheap for Microsoft at least. And now Microsoft is at $183.65. I only have 3 shares, but when I invested it within Microsoft, I invested at 100 and let me see what much I did. I invested when it was $171.82, 3 shares. So I mean, I'm quite up a bit for the total return of $35.49. And for today's return, I'm up 0.06. You know, so I'm up $35.49 in total return, and today's return is $0.06. So I'm not doing too bad in Microsoft. As you see, I have a lot of red stocks in my portfolio, but when you have a diverse portfolio, you don't lose as much, because in different stocks in different sectors, the energy stock is kind of down right now, which the stocks in the energy sector are down, but the stocks in the real estate is doing good. It helps to balance out your portfolio. So I mean, as I can see, CVS is doing well, Hormel is doing well. Okay, this is consumers sector, and for the most part, most of my stocks are down. So I mean, hopefully this week be a good week and I bounce back in the stock market. But as it stands right now, I'm down, but I'm not too mad anyways. But I do have a lot of stocks on my watch list waiting to invest in. So once I invest my 500 for this month, then I will go into my watch list and start accumulating some of these shares and add to my portfolio. So the next thing that I want to talk about is the dividend that I've been earning for the past month of January. So far in the month of January, I've been paid out dividend for 2 stocks in the month of January, and the 2 stocks that have paid me so far into older stocks. This is the fun part. Is Shaw Communication. So Shaw Communication, if you don't know what Shaw Communication is, it's a telecommunication in Canada, and they control the communication wise in Canada. They deal with phone, internet, and you name it. So I mean, I invested in that, and they give me back a return of dividend in 19 cents. Only have 3 shares, but you see where this is going. So the more shares I have in this company, is the more the payout will be greater. But this is a start, and I'm really proud of myself. The next one is PowerShares S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF. So this is a group of stocks. So I'm not supposed to be really seeing a lot of loss in this stock, because it's like a group of stocks under one umbrella. So it kind of like cushioned my portfolio a bit. So the total amount that was paid out to me was 31 cents. I have a total of 2 shares in this stock. So that was for the month of January. As you see, February paid out already, with Fidelity Total Bond ETF paying me $1.06 so far. CVS paid out at $2.50. I have 5 shares in CVS. I mean, I don't see CVS going anywhere. I mean, people always getting sick. People always want to need medication, and I mean, the health sector of the stock market is a money making industry. What can I tell you? Most of my money that I've gained in the past year when it came to day trading was in the health sector. You know what I mean? The penny stocks, pharmaceutical, man. That's where the money is, man. So if you want to get into day trading and you're looking for stocks to buy, health sector, the pharmaceuticals, all the penny stocks and stuff like that, that's where the money is. That's where you can make a quick flip and make a gain in 2.5, as well as you can lose big. So remember that the stock market, when it comes to penny stock, is pretty volatile. So go in there in the mindset that you might lose your money. For the rest of this month, I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stocks paying out this month, and that's not including the 2 stocks that I've paid out already. So in pending stocks, I have Realty Income, Hormel, Apple REIT, Energy Transfer, Orchard Island Capital, and last but not least, Chatham Lodging Trust. So man, that's a lot of passive income if you think about it. This is money I didn't have to work for. All this money is just given to me by just me holding the stock, and I'm loving it. This is free money. And again, guys, smash the like button if you enjoy my video. You know, if you haven't seen my past videos, go check that out. You know, show me love, show me support. I just want to be transparent with you guys right through the way and let you guys see my growth for this year in investing in the stock market. If you enjoyed this video, again, leave a comment and let me know that, and subscribe because there's more videos coming soon. So I'm out, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.